If you are a parent, then I highly recommend you take 5 minutes to watch this video in its entirety. I'm going to talk to you today about something called an IEE. An IEE stands for an Individualized Education Evaluation. This is something that you have the right by law to request at any point throughout your child's educational journey. This is how it works. So let's say your child already has an IEP through their school district, which means that the school has conducted testing around your child's skills to determine if they qualified for IEP services. So that's already happened. And let's say the IEP that they write for your child and the results that they found in their evaluation does not line up with what you know your child to be, or who you know your child to be, does not line up maybe with what your hypothesis is for if your child maybe has a learning difference or disability that you would like identified. Whatever it may be, if you're not satisfied with the results of the school's evaluation of your child and the IEP, then you can request in writing, it must be in writing, to your school superintendent, it must be to the superintendent, you may request to have an IEE done for your child at the expense of the district. That is correct. You will not pay out of pocket for this, which, if you've done research around what it costs to get a private evaluation, it can cost thousands of dollars. So this is a really important thing that you know about, especially if you're on a budget and are not in a position where you can put thousands of dollars towards a private evaluation. So you put the request in writing, you ask the school superintendent, and within 5 business days, they must respond to you. And they have 2 options. Either they can tell you, yes, we will choose a third-party provider, a neutral third-party provider to conduct this second evaluation. We will cover the costs. So they can either say yes, or they can say no, and if they say no, they have to file for due process to be able to prove in court why they don't think your child has the right to access the IEE. So if you have found this helpful, we have more information on our blog, redwoodliteracy.com. Please check it out, and if you have any successful stories of requesting and receiving an IEE for your child that you would love to share with us, please don't hesitate to reach out. We would love to hear from you. You can always shoot those over to admissions@redwoodliteracy.com.